Sioux Falls is the largest and most captivating Midwestern city in South Dakota. It sits on the banks of the Big Sioux River near the Iowa and Minnesota state lines. The majority of electricity in the area comes from hydroelectric power on the Missouri River, with 3 of its 5 largest electric plants being hydroelectric. The site was named after a group of Native American tribes who call themselves Sioux Indians or Oceti Sakowin, who initially occupied the place. It was founded in 1857 by land speculators. For reference, the area consists of 4 counties: Lincoln, McCook, Minnehaha, and Turner. Sioux Falls has 70 notable parks, but Falls Park is the best known by people. Another one known in Sioux Falls is the Old Minnehaha County Courthouse. It's located at Main Avenue and 6th Street in Sioux Falls. It was the former county courthouse of Minnehaha County from 1890 to 1962, making it one of the oldest buildings in Sioux Falls. The Metropolitan is originally into quarrying and agriculturally based industries, but later on it expanded and became much more diversified. Many service-based companies surfaced in the city, making it a center of financial services, healthcare, and retail trade. The weather in Sioux Falls is warm during summer months while extremely cold during winter. It is also dry and windy, but it is partially cloudy all year round. The weather temperature typically varies from 10 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit and is rarely below -11 degrees Fahrenheit or above 94 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to gear up approximately according to the weather, and everything will do just fine. What is impressive about Sioux Falls is that it has quite a lively and festive atmosphere. Also, the city is diverse with its many choices of food, entertainment, and outdoor activities. Like in any other place, people can enjoy eating various dishes like Mexican cuisine, Brazilian, Mediterranean, to name a few. Sioux Falls also eagerly hosts several events, such as the annual Sioux Falls Festival that celebrates the Big Sioux River's beauty, which has the most picturesque waterfalls in all of South Dakota. Also, the Festival of the Bands, where over 40 marching bands from across the Midwest compete. Anyone will enjoy the outdoor activities while bonding with nature. There is another spot that is enticing to the eyes, and that is their Japanese gardens. It features flowers and trees that resemble what you see in Japan, plus some lanterns add to the beauty of the place. There are a lot of things and places to see in Sioux Falls. The Sculpture Walk and Arc of Dreams monument is a must-see, and it is amazingly spectacular during the night. The Michelangelo's David replica. This was a gift of a local couple named Thomas and Marie Fowwick to Sioux Falls and Augustana College citizens. Aside from parks, there are also many restaurants nearby so people can enjoy their local food and drinks. If you plan to have a vacation with your family and friends, Sioux Falls is worth visiting.